One of the things I hear about all the time in my self-care group for extremely busy women is this issue of not being able to get yourself to start a self-care practice or potentially to stick with it once you do. It's incredibly common. So if this is you, first of all, don't feel bad. I totally know how you feel, have been there and done that myself. There is a cool solution, and it is known as the mini habit. And the great thing about the mini habit is it's a teeny tiny commitment. All you have to do is one little something. For instance, if you have a desire to run, to go for a run every night, well, how about you start by running around the block, or maybe even smaller, running to the corner and back. That's it. Do not expect yourself to do any more than that the first day. And if you did it, fantastic! You've had a win. An interesting thing happens when you do these mini habits, which is they naturally and magically grow, and suddenly you find yourself going around 2 blocks. And hey, it feels pretty good, so why not go for a third? That's how we begin to develop habits. Not by shaming ourselves, not by assuming that we should be doing it fantastically from the very minute we begin, but simply by starting small. When you start small, you give yourself a real opportunity to grow into a better self-care practice. Hey, most of us don't have great self-care because we just haven't had time or thought to focus on it. But now we have a little more of that time. Why not start to build a conscious set of self-care practices you could carry with you for a long time to come? And the key to beginning any of this and sticking with it is to make it enjoyable, make it copable, and to not baste it in shame. Instead, allow yourself to explore it and play with it and adapt it, and some of them may not be a fit. Out they go. The opportunity is for you to create a self-care routine you can really, actually live with. Why not give it a shot?